Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, a realtor with Royal LePage Signature. We're continuing with keeping your grass, theme of home tips. The last couple of weeks we talked about how to make it easier on yourself to have a really nice grass. Well, let's make it even easier on you now. And what you should be doing is fertilizing your grass often. Now, you're supposed to fertilize your grass anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks, and you're supposed to start in the beginning of spring. And the next time you're supposed to fertilize your lawn is at the end of spring, followed by the end of summer, and then finally in fall. Now, if you've missed one of those fertilizing opportunities, that's okay, you can start now. Again, you just don't want to fertilize it too often. You might burn out your grass. The other thing is you have to do is if you follow along the last couple of weeks, I told you not to cut your grass too low. Again, if your grass is really low and with all the heat that we get in the summer, if you're not watering all the time, it'll burn out. And if you add fertilizer to that as well, it'll also burn out. So again, keep your grass to the length we talked about last time. Now, if you're fertilizing every 6 to 8 weeks, you're going to want to also look at the nutrients in the fertilizer. It does matter. And if you don't know anything about fertilizer, which I don't, I always talk to the specialists at the store that I'm buying at, but you're going to want to have these 3 essential nutrients. The first one is nitrogen. Nitrogen promotes leaf growth and overall density. Next one is phosphorus. It's good for root development. And the final one is potassium. Potassium helps the grass being a little more resilient. That's again why it helps when you're either in the drought in the summertime or when you're fertilizing close to the end of winter before the first snowfall. It also helps with the extreme cold weather. It just makes the grass overall more resilient. All right, so remember, you're supposed to be fertilizing every 6 to 8 weeks. If you haven't started yet, do it today. Make sure you don't cut your grass too low. Do it every 6 to 8 weeks, and make sure you have the last fertilizing session right before the first snowfall. Have a great day.